This does have all DLC coated trigger components.
You'll see the inox barrel, so it's a 380, obviously, 13+1 capacity.
It gives you the advantage to shoot both eyes open almost and be dynamic in short distances or medium distance.
With this, you got a 4.1-inch barrel. You have front and rear cocking serrations on the slide there, very deep.
Got a flat trigger shoe, right? So what this does is this helps a little bit better purchase, shortens up that trigger pull.
We've got, starting with the grip, we've got a Vertec grip profile, new grip panels with new texturing. We've got an extended mag release.
Number 10. Beretta 80X Cheetah, $800. The Beretta 80X Cheetah is a compact, yet not tiny pistol designed to be the most shootable gun you can still conceal. Its revamped design handles closer to a full-size pistol, and its 380 ACP chambering combined with a metal frame helps keep its recoil light. While some may dismiss the 80X Cheetah as a viable carry gun due to its 9mm capacity, Beretta believes that there is a market for it, particularly among shooters with small hands, individuals with hand strength issues, and concealed carriers who don't practice enough to master a smaller gun. Training as often as possible with a carry gun is always beneficial, but if someone can naturally make better hits more consistently with the 80X Cheetah, that's far more valuable than carrying a more potent round that they're going to miss with. The 80X Cheetah comes in a plastic hard case with a cable lock and 2 mags. The pistol is well designed, with modernizations like the optics ready slide and accessory rail, as well as subtle changes like the white 3-dot sights and the ergonomic Vertec grip angle. Number 9. 5.11 Tactical Gear and Apparel, $100. Keeping your feet dry and comfy makes for one happy shooter. The 5.11 80 mid waterproof boots is an extension of the widely popular 80 series, with the addition of waterproof protection that combines with the Atlas technology for proper weight distribution, improved stability, and return energy for all-day comfort. Number 8. Beretta 9211, $1,000. The 9211 is a high-performance, reliable choice for personal defense and competition, featuring a Vertec style frame, high and low-capacity mag options, a fiber optic front sight, and the option for MRDS optics mounting. The Extreme S single action trigger ensures consistent engagement with DLC-coded components. The fiber optic front sight offers superior sight acquisition with MRDS mounting capability, providing an extra edge in competition or defensive situations. The checkered frame with enhanced grip panel texturing helps maintain consistent grip for recoil management and shot placement. The ambidextrous frame-mounted safety is optimized for competition, allowing quick engagement and disengagement for speed and manipulation. The high durability H-Series Cerakote finish ensures durability and corrosion resistance. The optic and optic plate are sold separately. Number 7. Burris Veracity PH Rifle Scope, $1,500. The Burris Veracity PH Scope is a digital and mechanical hunting device that combines traditional features with the convenience of a clickless digital turret. It can parallax down to 50 yards and is marked in 1/4 MOA on the turrets, providing 33.8 MOA of total tracking on the elevation. The scope comes with a set of scope covers, a sunshade, a hex key, batteries, and a basic user manual. The diopter adjustment is non-lockable, but stiff enough to hold position once set. The Burris PEK programmable elevation knob system allows user to dial to distance digitally via the Burris Connect app, which calculates a ballistic profile based on measurements and factory loads. The clickless nature of the digital turret allows for impressive 1/10 MOA dialing, and the scope is less bulky than Burris's Ballistic Laser 3. Image quality is good, with no obvious chromatic aberration, and is index matched with high-lu multi-coating to enhance light transmission and clarity. Number 6. Canik Mate MC9, $500. The Mate MC9 is a compact pistol that defines the micro-compact segment with its ultra-thin 28mm special design and high-capacity mag structure. Its modular design allows for quick disassembly and reassembling, including the trigger group. The 28mm double-sided slide holder provides a practical feature. The Matei MC9 can easily attach all optical sights, except Tragic and RMRCC to the pistol, and it has a co-witness feature, allowing the shooter to use both the optical sight and the classic rear sight simultaneously. The Matei MC9 is the highest capacity pistol in its segment and has the lowest barrel distribution. It comes with a single-point white front sight and a plain black sight set as standard, and has an 81mm/3.18-inch barrel. Number 5. CZP-10, $300. The CZP-10C is a striker-fired pistol designed for concealability. While it may not be the best choice for concealment, it is a great choice for those looking for a high-quality firearm at a budget price. The P10C is easy to control, smooth to shoot, and can cycle various ammo types. Its recoil is flat and imperceptible, but it is still present and easy to control with a firm grip. The trigger is great for a striker-fired pistol, and the recoil is flat and easy to control. The P10C is reasonably concealable, and while it may not replace the P07 or Glock 43X, it is a great choice for those looking for a high-quality concealed carry. Overall, the P10C is a solid offering from CZ, making it an excellent choice for those looking to carry a high-quality firearm. Number 4. Federal Premium Punch 30 Super Carry, $30. Federal Premium has introduced the Punch 30 Super Carry with a 103-grain personal defense hollow point, offering a new option for concealed carry advocates. The round, announced at SHOT Show 2023, is now available and shipping nationwide. The Federal Premium Personal Defense Punch 30 Super Carry 103 grain load is available in 20-count boxes for an MSRP of $26.99, making it a middle ground for those wanting an upgrade from 380 ACP but not quite getting into 9mm. The round features a punch-jacketed hollow point bullet design, outperforming competitor rounds, and a quality brass case with primer seal. It offers balanced performance across different platforms and through the most common barriers, with significantly less recoil than the 9mm Luger. The 30 Super Carry has the same power as the 9mm Luger, with as many as 3 more rounds of mag capacity in currently available handguns. The bullet skive jacket and soft lead core produce ideal expansion and penetration for the most common situations, while its quality brass and sealed primer deliver reliable feeding and ignition. Although the 30 Super Carry may be an acquired taste, it is a testament to ammunition manufacturers listening to shooters and creating new cartridges and offerings. Number 3. Gemtech Neutron Suppressor, $1,000. Gemtech's Neutron 7.62 suppressor is a lightweight option chambered in 7.62, similar to the Abyss 5.56. It features a titanium outer shell and internals, with a stainless steel blast chamber for durability. The forward gas design allows for less blowback and muzzle flash. The Neutron 7.62 weighs only 14.6 ounces, making it incredibly lightweight for a larger 7.62 can. It is priced around $830 and is compatible with Hub 1.375-24 thread standards, accepts a wide range of mounting hardware, and comes with Gemtech's ETM, Elite Taper mount for precise alignment and carbon lock resistance. The suppressor has a tubeless construction, eliminating unnecessary weight, and a high-efficiency battle design for superior sound reduction. The Neutron is priced around $830 and is a great choice for those seeking a versatile suppressor that strikes the perfect balance between size, strength, and weight. Number 2. Leupold Mark V HD 2-10x30, $2,000. The Mark V HD 2-10x30mm rifle scope is a modern, military-inspired optic that enhances tactical carbines. It features a 3-turn dial crown, 30 mils of adjustment in 0.1 mil increments, and a patented zero lock to prevent movement. The scope is bomb-proof, lightweight, and accurate, with a first focal plane reticle, 2-10 magnification range, and side focus for close quarters combat. Built around Leupold's professional-grade optical system, it offers unmatched light transmission, industry-leading glare reduction, and resolution and clarity for professional guides and shooters. Ergonomically designed with tactile and audible click adjustments, larger numbers, and a high-speed throw lever. The Mark V HD is designed to put accurate fire-down range faster. The unique combination of features, durability, and professional-grade optical performance guarantees that the Mark V HD can handle any challenge you throw at it. It is 100% waterproof and fog-proof, and is designed, machined, and assembled in the USA. The Mark V HD is guaranteed to perform for life. Number 1. Smith & Wesson M&P 5.7 Pistol, $700. The 5.7x28 pistol market has seen a surge in options from Kel-Tec, Ruger, Palmetto State Armory, and Smith & Wesson. The M&P 5.7 pistol features a unique operating system with a gas-operating rotating 5-inch barrel, ambidextrous slide stop, reversible mag catch, and no frame-mounted thumb safety. It is optic-ready, cut for RMSC mount red dot sights, and has railage for easy attachment. The 5.7 cartridge is almost half an inch longer than a 9mm round, requiring a bigger grip and longer reach to the trigger. This may be challenging for small hands, but is accurate enough for any shooting situation. The M&P 5.7 is slim, making it a viable carry option for those who appreciate the high speed, flat trajectory, and low recoil of the 5.7x28 cartridge. The Smith & Wesson M&P 5.7 is an impressive offering for its price point, packing 2 more standard capacity rounds than the Ruger. The Belgian gun remains the king of the 5.7 hill in design, build quality, and shootability. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.